In part 1 of today's video, I'll be introducing you to Zoom. So what is Zoom? Zoom is a communication technology company who's headquartered in San Jose, California, and Zoom brings video conferencing, online meetings, and group messaging into one easy-to-use application. With Zoom, there is a free plan called Basic, which provides you with everything you need to get started. There are also 3 other plans if you need additional services and features. I'd say the big difference between the free plan and the others is really the duration of time. So with the free basic plan, you are limited to 40 minutes within a single session. I'd say another big difference between the free plan and the other plan is what's called user management. And that allows account owners and admin people to manage their users, such as add and delete and assign roles and add-on features and so on. I would say another benefit between the free plan and the paid-for plans is that with the paid-for plans you get quite a bit of storage to hold your recordings if you wanted to record a Zoom meeting. For today's demo, I'll be using the free basic plan. Like Apple's FaceTime, Microsoft's Skype, and Facebook's Messenger applications, Zoom allows you to video chat with more than one person in a session. If you don't have a desktop or laptop computer, Zoom is also available on both Apple and Android devices, but you will have to download the free Zoom app from the Apple App Store or Google's Play app first. If you are not sure how to download an app, be sure to check out my 2-part series, How to Download Apps. Before we get started, I wanted to share with you some important tips to ensure you have the best experience possible. The key thing here when doing a Zoom call is always keeping the other person in mind, the person that is viewing you. So you want to make sure you're very aware of that other person. You want to speak slowly and clearly. Be aware of your surroundings, any background noise or background visuals that may be distracting. Make sure that you're lit well, that you're lit from the front and not from the back. And remember to maintain eye contact with the viewer. Look into the camera, not the screen. Be mindful of what you're wearing and mindful of the camera angle. You want to make sure that the person that you are doing a Zoom call with, or the people that you're doing a Zoom call with, that they don't see the bottom of your chin or the top of your head. So make sure that you face the camera as straight on as you possibly can. Be mindful to make sure you hold the device still. If you're zooming from a smartphone or a tablet, be sure to prop up the device on a surface like a table or a shelf so that it's stable. When it comes to the features of your device, most desktops and laptops have a built-in camera. Smartphones and tablets, most of them have 2 cameras, a front and a rear-facing camera. Your devices will have built-in speakers, they'll have a built-in microphone, but you can always attach an external microphone or headphone for better quality input and output sound. Now that we've wrapped up the tips, let's get started with part 2, joining a Zoom meeting.